Welcome, everyone is a Xiaomi Mi 9T, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. So before we get started, you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. For some reason there's a little bit of glue on it. There we go. So I have one right here, as you can see. And once you get it, which you can find it in your box with the device that it came in, or, well, if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work basically just as well. But once you have it, all you want to do is simply take the phone and pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom of the device, right next to the charging port. As you can see right over here. Once you push it in, as I just did, the tray pops out. Taking that again from this perspective, like so. And from here you can take it out, and you will have space for two different SIM cards. Now, unfortunately, there is no space for SD card, so no point in even trying to insert one here. So let's just slap in SIM card like so, as you can see. Make sure it's lying flush on the tray, and then, while actually trying to hold it securely in there so it doesn't actually fall out, insert it back into the device, like so. And now we should see a pop-up for the pin of the SIM card. There we go. So at least that is for me, because I do have a pin set. So obviously, based on that pin, the SIM card is working, and that is how you would insert it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.